Okay, so now let me explain how to clean the device between patients. The process is very easy, just with alcohol, first of all, and any kind of cotton. You will clean and disinfect the head with the alcohol, and then the cameras from inside, from example with a small cotton pallet from inside, and then you will clean the handle with alcohol, and then you will use the UV box. You will open the box and you will put the device inside, for example like that, like this, and then you close the box and make sure that all of the sides are really closed, so everything will be okay and it works correctly. And then you will just push here and let it to be disinfected, and then when it finished, automatically the light here will be closed. And this is how you disinfect the device between cases.